Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is me Farzana from Beauty Stubborn with Farzana. In this winter season, we all want a good looking, natural, soft skin. We don't like dull and dry, flaky skin. So here I am today to show you winter skincare routine. And for that we need to follow few steps like cleansing, scrubbing and so on. Then I'm starting off with the scrub, and this is the Nivea natural facial scrub, and this is a gentle scrub for dry to sensitive skin. All the product names are on the description bar below, so don't forget to check that out. Wet my skin with water and scrub my face in circular motions. Do use the scrub on your neck and ear. Take a second and click the red subscribe button and press the bell icon to never miss my videos. Adding little bit more water and massaging it again. After 3 to 4 minutes, wash with normal water. If you guys enjoying watching my videos, then do like this video and share this with your all the friends and family, because everyone needs to know the basic skincare system. And do not forget to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Now I am using Nivea face wash. These products are my favorite for winter season. And first I'm going to wet my skin a little bit, and then I'm going to use this face wash. This is a creamy face wash, and this cleanses the skin and moisturizes the skin so well. After a minute, I'm going to rinse it off with the plain water, and going to use a clean towel for my face. It's time to use a toner for my pores and the leftover dirt. I'm just taking few drops on the cotton pad, and I'm just tapping the cotton onto my skin so that my pores goes close and upper layer dirt will come out. And my cotton pad came out clear, yay! My skin already feeling so soft. I'm using Constanta Perfect Eyezone for my dark circles, fine lines, dryness. It's an eye cream in a gel formula. I'm taking it in a ring fingers and gently massage it in a tapping motion. Now it's time to lock the moisture in place for the whole day, and for that I'm using Nivea soft moisturizing cream. It's a lightweight and cream, and it's never feel grease on my skin. Last step but not the least, I'm using VASELINE limited edition lip therapy in the flavor Mirror. I'm currently loving this one, and with it I am like ending this video here. And this is basically my daytime skincare routine, or like before my makeup. Okay, then bye everyone. I love you all. Take care of yourself